How it start?
Yeah, it's like made it through the struggle, got it off the muscle, wanted Gucci.
All right, so you're just gonna give your covers a good look over again, and then you're gonna come up here, and then you're gonna click on share, and then from there we go. So then from share, you'll click download. You can download as a ping, but I feel like for my printer, it just works better for me to do PDF print. You can do all this stuff if you're doing something else with it. Then download it. And my computer is moving slow because I'm trying to upload videos and stuff too. But anyway, open up your document, making sure your stuff, nothing is running off again on the sides or anything like that. Okay, you're gonna print, select your printer, and print. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So my printer that I'm going to be using is my small HP DeskJet 3752. It's like a good like little small photo printer. I think I paid, I want to say I paid $29 for it, but anyway, so that's my printer I'm going to use, and I'm going to be using this everyday photo paper because it's shiny for my cover. So yeah, I'm just going to insert that into my printer, and I'll be back. All right, y'all, so once you have your your cover is printed, so what else you'll need is this binding notebook paper that already has the little punches in it, or you can use the machine and make your own punches with your own copy paper. So then you have your professional binding cone binding machine. You need that. You'll need these laminating pouches so your notebook will last, and a laminator. So I just want to give you guys the supplies that you'll need. And I forgot to show you guys, this is the cones, the plastic cones that I'm going to be using. So it's a 100 pack. Here's the information, have 12 mm child. This is what the ones that I'm going to use. I got off on Amazon, so I'll pull one out and you'll be able to see it, but wanted to show you guys that. Okay, y'all, we back. So while I'm letting my laminator heat up, you're going to take your thermal laminating pouches. So they look like this. And y'all, it's so much stuff that you can do with laminate. If y'all want to see some crafts that you can mess my video up. Did I? Okay. I think it's okay. But anyway, there's so many things you can do with laminate. Let me know if you guys want to see those crafts. So I'm going to take, you could cut, so this how it came out. You could cut your white off. I'm not going to do that, because I feel like it don't make no big of a difference. But you also, on your print settings, if you want to do the full page, you can do that. So you're just going to open it up. I hope y'all can see. Hold on, frame. Anyway, you want to get that in, line it up. Get this one out the way. So you want to line it up. So it's not crooked, but it's off in your thing. So it looks like this. You can't really see it because light. And you're going to do that for both. Set this one out of my way. I got that one. I landed on good. Better than the other one. Problem is, it's so much better not trying to do stuff on camera. But yeah. So, boom. Here you go. And so, if you've never used the Laminator, you want to make sure it's blue. And it says ready. And then, like, you can click on this, like, stuff. It's like 3 mil, 5 mil. I don't touch it. I just leave it on 3. I think it deals with the thickness of your stuff. But I always, when I'm feeding it in, the side right here, you see the open side, I hold that. And then I line it up. And it'll go on its own, but I still hold it. If you can see that, I just random pin right here. And I think, since I wasn't paying attention, hopefully I ain't letting no air bubbles in, so it don't be ugly. Fooling with that pin, I think I'll mess my laminate up. I'm gonna see if I pray it smooths out, because I don't feel like reprinting nothing. I feel like it in. See, I'm doing too much. Hopefully they flatten out. We don't see y'all. Well, I might just be able to feed it back through. I'm gonna feed it back through. Let's see. I'll just feed it back through and see if we can get that part to smooth out. If not, it ain't gonna hurt it none. I think it smoothed it out though. Well, y'all caught how to correct something on camera. Me doing too much and not paying attention. I think it smoothed it out, y'all. Look, I'm just watching. Okay. Yes, it smoothed that little piece. Y'all can see right here, right out. Okay, cool. Boom. Got one done. Now I'm gonna actually pay attention to this one, the second one. And y'all, I just did this Gucci front and back. So again, I'm gonna hold that top part I was telling y'all about. Trying to get it. I got a good grip on it. And feed it in. And you don't have to. You can just let this go. But I want it to be smooth. So. Since I ain't sad. Doing it. Let it go. I may have to feed that. I usually don't have to feed nothing back through. I don't know why. Once I start filming stuff now, I wanna not do right. Oops. Like, you shouldn't hear no cracking. Like, you hear that cracking? Oh, okay. I was worried for nothing. It came out fine. And it's a little hot, so be mindful of that when y'all doing these. Alright, so we got that part done. So next is assembling. So I'm doing it. Flip it, get it lined up. And you see that pull? Did it move? I hope y'all saw that. And it's gonna come out like this. Y'all see? So come like that. So that's how you punch the holes in. You're just gonna pull it down. And then I'll show you for the other way. So do the same thing for this one. You just want to line it up. Y'all see the lines? Line it up. Get it inside. Hold it. And you're going to pull it. Simple. Y'all see that? So I wanted to give you guys a better view of these combs and how to place them on your machine. Okay, so if you could see, I got this. This is how the angle is. Okay. And if you see the little grips, it's close. So you're going to take this and you want the back part of this where it's open, okay, facing that way. Okay. So you're going to place it on your combs. So you're going to place it like where this is going in between there. So you see that? Okay. Then you're gonna move this. You're gonna move your handle like this. So pushing it that way so that your combs open up. You see that? And you want to get it as wide as you can get it. So hopefully that's helpful. And you're gonna place your stuff on your combs, and then you'll go back that way to close it. Open, close. Okay. So you see, hopefully y'all can see because it's black, but you see this part that's opening right there. You want that facing up. So you're gonna make sure that's facing up. Y'all see that? And come in. So you guys can see that. So you want that side up. So let's see. You see that? I hope y'all can see what I'm talking about, but that part that's open. So dang. There we go. Hope y'all can see that. But yeah, you see the part that's open. Okay. So you're gonna, so the part that's open, you're gonna place that on your combs. And you wanna leave, and you see those, hold on. You see that little silver piece right there? You wanna place that, make sure, okay, so remember that is to do the hole punch. This, moving it backward is how it'll open the comb. So I'm gonna put that back in place. Hopefully y'all can see that. Okay. Place your combs. I'm gonna make a little bit of space, open it up just a little bit. Then you're gonna want that to latch on. Hopefully y'all can see me pressing it so it opens it up. Okay. Okay. You see, now your combs, I hope y'all can see that good. Now your comb is open. Okay. So then you're gonna place your paper and your what you're gonna be using. Okay. And you may want to do it in chunks, but I'm trying to rush for the sake of the video. Ooh, I almost slipped it out. Okay. And as you can see, the comb that I have is not that long, so I'm just making sure I at least get the bit on the top. Okay. So place your paper. I know I won't be able to get all these at once. Okay. So get your paper on there. Kind of want to hold it in place. Because y'all, you can fit a bunch of paper. Like with these, child, you can get 500 sheets of paper on these. I don't know why it's trying to, it's just about holding it in place. Then back cover or your front cover, whichever one. Okay, so you want to press everything down. Y'all can see that. Okay, you see how I'm pressing it down. Hopefully the angle is a little bit better. Okay. And you see I'm kind of cinching it. See? I hope this video is helpful, y'all, and it makes sense. But once you get the hang of it, I can do more cone binding things. But this has been one of my better purchases and investments for my business. But yeah, so then you're just gonna let it get up there. See that? Okay, then you're just gonna pull it off. And there you have it, y'all. Yep. Go back right down. Okay. Hopefully y'all can see that, but your notebook is done. Okay. Let's see. Move that out of the way. Okay. So there you have it, y'all. Your notebook. Okay. Boom. So, yes, y'all. Simple, easy, cute, unique. And it's your own design. Done with Canva and a binding machine. I hope you guys like this video. So, yeah. And you don't have to worry about this tearing up. I still got my planner that I hardly use. I'm gonna make my goal this year to use it this year. So yeah, get y'all and do it yourself. Or if you guys would like to purchase this design, let me know. I'm throwing it up on my Etsy. Or you want a custom made notebook. So, and I don't mind you know, this part right here, because you can cut that off if you want to. Right there, you can just cut that off if you want to, but let me know. But yeah, so cute little notebook and inexpensive, and you can make them all that you want to. And if you want to add pages, you can. You just open up your cones right here. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it was helpful, and it's a fun little DIY craft for back to school. Y'all get your notebooks. But yeah. Alright, I'm gone. Thank you, and please subscribe to Gucci Made so I continue to make more videos. Let me know what you guys would like to see in the description box. And I hope you guys have a blessed one. Bye.